In a previous video, I showed how incrementally placed composites are prone to knit lines between each increment of composite, such as you see in this picture, where I have stained the composite to more clearly show these knit lines. Now with practice you can avoid these knit lines. In these images, I've used different colors of composites so that you can see where the knit lines occur, and I haven't stained them. You may be wondering how I've made these specimens. Well, these are made in a specially designed mold that I've developed, where you can remove the composite very easily from the mold, and then you can inspect both the bottom and the sides of the restoration. Now, I'm going to use this mold to show you how you can eliminate knit lines. I'm going to use Filtech 1 bulk fill material and Filtech bulk fill flowable and a heated composite technique. Although I'm using a bulk fill material, I still like to place it incrementally, as I find this helps to reduce the number of voids I get in the restorations. The heated composite flows and adapts well to the cavity. Tap it into the cavity and make sure the corners are filled with no voids. These are areas that are very easy to miss. Then I like to add more heated composite to make a 4mm thick increment, which is the maximum thickness that the manufacturer of this composite recommends for a Class 1 restoration. Again, make sure all the corners are filled with composite and that there are no voids there. You're now ready to cure this first 4mm thick increment of composite, following the manufacturer's instructions. Now this is obviously sped up, but for a restoration of this size, that would mean 20 seconds over each proximal box. Once the first increment of composite has been light cured, the trick here is to go and add a small drop of flowable composite. Now I like to use the Bulk-Fill flowable in this case. I find it flows well and doesn't have to be heated, but this is your choice. Now we're going to add some more bulk fill over the uncured flowable composite. You can see how the stiffer paste material actually pushes the flowable material out of the cavity, so you can wipe away the flowable composite. Final contouring, and then place the mylar strip on top. Again, follow the manufacturer's instructions when light curing, and this means 20 seconds over each proximal box area to cover the entire restoration with light. Now hopefully when you open up the mold, you'll see that the entire restoration is cured and there are no soft areas and there are no knit lines or voids. Do not be discouraged if you don't succeed the first time. Try and try again. Here we can see an attempt using different shades. We can see the knit lines. And here we can see we're getting better, but unfortunately we didn't cure the material properly. And note, this is in the bottom of the proximal boxes, and this is just where most of the restorations fail. If you need more information, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much for watching.